Is your child ready for kindergarten? Discover 7 essential skills they need. Understanding basic instructions is the first skill. It builds your child's ability to follow kindergarten routines and tasks. Next, letter and number recognition. This forms the foundation for reading and mathematics, and sparks their love for learning. Third, basic shape and color identification. This encourages creativity and enhances visual learning. Fourth, social skills. By interacting with peers, your child learns cooperation, sharing, and empathy. Good motor skills are fifth on our list. This includes basic skills like holding a pencil, cutting with scissors, and tying shoelaces. The sixth skill is self-care abilities. This includes eating independently, using the restroom, and dressing up. Finally, emotional readiness is crucial. Your child must be able to manage feelings and adapt to new environments. Equip your little one with these 7 essential skills, and make their shift to kindergarten a joyful journey.